welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This one is for March of 2021, and the bag looks like this. Unlike the normal glam bag, the strings on this are just plain red, therefore no 90s kid vibes with these. They just look and feel like shoelaces. Anyway, there's a couple things that don't fit inside the bag, too, in this bag, because I got a bunch of add-ons, but that's okay. So, unfortunately in this one, they did not do the pricing on things. They instead gave us what different colors, like, what's your power color? Discover the mood-boosting effects of these hues and amp up your look. Red, energy, strength, leadership. How to wear it. Swipe on a crimson lipstick and to power through a presentation. Pink, sincerity, love, compassion. How to wear it. Bring on the self-love with an all-over monochromatic rose look. Orange, creativity, inspiration, confidence. How to wear it. Dust on a peachy orange blush to get your creative juices flowing. Yellow, optimistic, joy, cheerful. How to wear it. A sunshine-hued mani will definitely spark joy and it's perfect for spring. For extra cheer, match it on the eyes too. Green, gentle, healing, growth. How to wear it. A wash of mint green shadow will help you rise above any bad vibes. Blue, sensitive, calm, peaceful. How to wear it. Need some zen in your day? Try a navy blue liner to soothe an active mind. Violet, magical, open-minded, imaginative. How to wear it. Sweep an icy lavender highlighter over cheekbones for an otherworldly effect. That didn't really help anything, but okay, whatever. So, first things first, I got some more masks to add into my arsenal, which is always a good thing. I can always use more of these. And the ones from this brand always seem to fit me particularly well. It doesn't have the brand listed anywhere on here, but I always recognize it when I see it in the Ipsy add-on. So, as usual, we do have another just plain black one. So now I have 3 of those to bounce between. This one, unsurprisingly, is why I bought the set. Because the stars, little gold stars on what feels like the cloth that, like sweatpants are made of. So it's nice and cozy. Looking forward to that one. And then there's this white one that's just like snow leopard print. So all 3, quite cute. Definitely happy to have them. Get them pre-washed soon and into the arsenal. I just finally got the last pack I got washed like a week ago. So who knows how long it'll take me to actually get around to doing the thing, but the intention is there and I know where they are and I'm putting them where I'll see them every day, right next to where I film, till I do the thing. So, there's those. I got the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, because of course I did. Let's see here. 10 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. So, gotta take the little sheet off here, block the mirror, and here are our shades. Pretty nice, pretty snazzy. I'm looking forward to playing with these. Honestly, I'm stoked for pretty much every single one in here except for maybe that first one. So we have beige, clay, rose gold, chocolate brown, bronze, wild orchid, blue violet, aqua, blue sky, and copper. So no fancy funsy names there, just straight to the fucking point, which makes sense since it's the Essentials 2 palette. They are literally essential colors that should be in everyone's arsenal. And so they are in mine. So, we've got that. I have a couple of sheet masks from the Creme shop. We have one that's peaches and cream. Peach rejuvenates and brightens signs of tea, while milk calms sensitive skin and corrects color discolorations. And then I have a yummy blueberry banana. Honestly, this set just makes me hungry. I just want to eat. Blueberry combats fine lines and wrinkles, and banana exfoliates to brighten the skin. Fusion sheet masks. The benefits of 2 masks in 1. So that's always fun. So I've got those. Let's put these aside. And then in the bag itself, in no particular order, we have another lipstick by House Laboratories in the color Burlesque. So, pretty stoked even by name. Plus knowing it's the Gaga brand. Woo, it's like metal or something. Woo, okay. And unsurprised, ooh, okay, so this is the first time I've taken it out and looked at it. So it's not only like red and glittery, like the frickin' ruby slippers, but it's also striped. Like there's stripes of glitter and then just stripes of iridescence. Like, can you guys see that? That is so friggin' cool. I almost don't want to defile it by using it, but that would defeat the point of having it. But oh my god, that is so cool. That may be the coolest I almost said lip balm. Maybe the coolest lipstick I own in my entire collection. Let's smell it. Ooh, it smells like vanilla too to boot. Yes! And magnetic. Holy shit, it ticks all the boxes all in one go. Thank you, Lady Gaga. You are amazing, as always. We got one of the refreshments, pearly body washes, and citrus spritz. Does that bring me up to 2 or 3 bottles of this now that they've sent me? I already opted out of it. They keep sending it. I don't know, but I got another one. We have another refreshments pillowy shave cream in citrus spritz. I think this is 2 for this one now. I mean, shave cream, whatever. Okay. Okay. Now from Sella, which is the same brand, I have the creme rose in. That, yes, I do keep right here because I put it on before I go to work a lot of days. This is the creme de la creme. So it's decadent body and hand cream, the very best cream. So I'm guessing it's gonna smell like cream. It's a lot skinnier though, which is weird to me when the other one's like fucking massive, and then this guy's like, they're all skinny mini. I'm like, oh, okay, whatever, you do you, boo. So we've got that. We have the Pure Lease Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Hydrates and balances, prevents fine lines, preps skin for makeup, which is good, because the one I've been using up is almost used up. That's all we got left. So I'm glad to have another Pure Lease moisturizer at the ready, although I think I do have a backup of this somewhere, but I'd like to try a different one next, so I'll probably do this one next. But yeah, so I've got that. Oh, I love the 80s-ness here. This is from Half Caked. It's the Totally Tubular Mascara. Okay, honestly, that packaging just made my entire day. Oh my god. That is amazing. I am in love with that. I don't even care if the mascara is crap. That packaging absolutely made my day. Yes! I've got another Chiate London conditioning lip oil. This one's the Lychee and Acai Burst. So that one looks like it should be a bit tinted. Always fun. I have from Belle on Argent a panchromatic eyeshadow palette in Plum Premonition. Ooh, all dramatic and shit. Look at you. Let's see it. I think this one was just in the glam bag itself. I don't think I even added this one on. I think this was just part of it. Let's see it. Ooh. Ooh. It's so fancy. Okay. So the color names are Exposed, Edit, Sign or Scene, Antagonist, Photoplay, Adaption, Callback, and Diffusion. So here's the colors. I'm digging them. They feel kind of fall vibes, but that's okay. I can wear them anyway. I don't judge, and I don't only wear them based on whatever season it is. I think that's dumb and very self-limiting. Why would you do that, you know? So I wear them when the hell ever, but just in terms of what season they feel really good for, feels like a very autumn into winter palette. Then we have a Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Lip Oil. Is it tinted? Oh, it is. Okay. Alright. I feel like we've seen this brand pop up a few times now. This is by Jules Smith Beauty. Sunshine. What is it? Is it lip gloss? I'm assuming that's lip gloss. It's got a doe foot applicator. That's gotta be lip gloss, right? I think. Yes, it's called Sunshine, which is kind of funny to me since it's clear. Maybe it smells like lemons or something fun. We have a lip balm from Hanalei Kukui Lip Balm, and this is the Tropical Citrus. And I think, is this? No, it's not the last thing in here. Also by Jewel Smith Beauty. This has got to be another lip thing. Skinny Dip. Okay. And then finally, these were an add-on, I think. 2 masks. We have the 2 days mask. Pore Care and Clarifying Tea Tree Pore Care. This tea tree face mask leaves skin feeling clear and firm. It helps eliminate impurities so you can have radiant skin and clean pores. Perfect for any ages or skin types. And then the other one is the Hydrating and Nourishing Bamboo Water. This bamboo water mask provides intense hydration with its nourishing properties since bamboo water contains abundant minerals and amino acids. Did you know that? I didn't until today. I was today years old when I learned that. So anyways, that's what I got in my Glam Bag Plus for March. So it was a pretty good haul. Granted, partly because I threw in a bunch of add-ons, but overall, good haul. So, anyway guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.